So guys, I'm all ready in my Pakistani outfit and we're going to head to this Indian-Pakistani border. Just jumped in a rickshaw. We're heading to Wagah Border.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. We have to get there before sunset. The ceremony happens right on sunset every day. I've got about an hour to go. Can't show you too much right now. There's lots of security forces around. How's that for a flag? Straight ahead. We're just walking to the border area right now. We've passed through about 3 different security checks. I couldn't take any photos or videos because it was a little bit sensitive back there for obvious reasons. But we're coming up close to the border. I can hear some of the music up ahead starting to get louder, so it'll be interesting once we get there. Sounds like quite a bit of activities going on already. One more security check. Hopefully this is the last one. So we're almost there. Past most of the military checkpoints. You can see a lot of military signage and stuff around. People selling stuff with this enormous Pakistani flag right here on the border. And this looks like the border area just up here. Some of the performers getting stretched up. Here we go. I'm not sure exactly where to go. You can see India over there. We'll find a seat, I guess. Thank you. So we got our seat here. Didn't cost anything. And the music is super loud. I think we're competing with the music on the Indian side. That's the Indian music that's currently playing. It's a little bit more quiet than the Pakistani music. And now the Pakistani music is starting. If you look closely, you can see Indians dancing on the Indian side. Not so much dancing over here yet. One of my favorite songs. Water. That's okay. Keep it. Okay. So you see the Pakistani performers approaching the border. You can see the Indian performers in the distance.
Pakistan! 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 Pakistan!
Looks like they're getting ready to lower the flag. All closed up. I think that's the end of the ceremony. The sun has set. The ceremony is coming to a close. Everyone's starting to leave. Walking around the main area here that leads into India, India's first line of defense. What do you think of that ceremony? It's pretty interesting, wasn't it? Pretty unique, this part of the world. Yeah, I do a bit of YouTube, yeah. There it is, Wagah Border. It takes place every single day of the year at sunset, so changes a little bit each day depending on what time the sun sets. But yeah, it's pretty special. You've got to come and see it if you're in Pakistan. One of the most unique border ceremonies in the world, I think. Yeah. What's your name? Oman?
Yes.
I'm James. Nice to meet you. You're from Pakistan?
Yes, yes.
Lahore?
Yes.
It's a nice city, yeah. Did you like the ceremony?
About
Yeah, really good. Interesting, yeah. Yeah, so the next interesting thing is to try and work out how to get back to Lahore from here. Guess I'll just walk down that one road that exists here. Uber doesn't work that well here. There's not much reception, so we might have to bargain with another rickshaw. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.